You wait till it gets
down.
I don't think you need to back up.
Well, it's stuck.
No.
So it's gotta get liquid.
I think we try to dump it.
It's not liquid enough. It's a solid.
I don't think
Back-
I'm saying, or do you?
Now it is heated up, so now it's a. That's
That feels like the wrong way to do it. I
disgusting.
think we need to dump.
In bacon cups.
I have a feeling.
I mean, there's no way to get grease stains out.
No.
You ruined them?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't get grease out of your pants?
No. I about did it again. Yeah. Why didn't you just pour it straight in the trash can?
Sorry, let's go. You guys ever seen what happens when you put a banana in the microwave? It's like electricity. It's
No,
like
there-
really conducive. It's
No,
really
there's
cool.
not.
Bananas aren't conducive.
We just watched a TikTok
Ready?
of it.
You wanna watch it?
Are you gonna film a TikTok?
I don't believe you.
Ready? Here we go. I think it happens like pretty quick too.
Are you ready? It's actually kind of scary.
Well, yeah, film it for a TikTok.
How long?
Okay.
How long is it supposed to
Yeah,
take?
here we go.
30 seconds.
It's not gonna work.
there's
Bananas
no way.
don't conduct electricity.
No.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Watch.
Can't even see.
Okay, just maybe stand back a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just in case.
I don't
They're really-
believe
it's really
you, but
cool.
I still think we. Oh, smart.
Well, I mean, you don't blow into
I heard
Making
something.
Did
noise.
you hear it?
Did you hear it?
Sounds like popcorn.
Uh-huh.
Adley, careful.
Yeah, how do we get that close?
The banana's swelling. Bananas
Guys, don't
don't
believe it.
have
Guys-
electricity. I took science.
It has electrolytes, not electricity.
Yeah.
That's not the
It's
same
just
thing.
gonna get hot and melt.
Oh.
Bananas
Oh,
just
it
gonna
rumbled.
melt.
You hear it?
Something
did grumble.
rumbled. It looks like it's steaming
It's
now,
smoking.
but I don't think that.
Are you gonna eat that?
Yeah, it smells like a hot pie.
It's
Oh,
starting.
look at it. It's oozing.
It smells bad, you guys.
Honey.
It smells bad.
I think that's gonna.
Is that smoke?
There's sparks.
There's smoke.
The banana's sparking.
Why is
You're gonna catch the banana on fire.
We told you it explodes.
Why is
It explodes.
Because it explodes, it doesn't mean it's electricity ridden. It doesn't mean it's just smoking. You're burning a banana is all you're doing. You just burned a banana.